What's up, folks? INEws morning update. 8:14 CPI day. So PPI today, yesterday, came in a little under. We dipped down to the 70 level. This 65, 70 level is going to be important. We lose that, and then I think we can see some downside. Possibly this 48, 45 area, but then we travel back down to 20. But most of my downside is going to be back in the 4250 area. So, but that would be a lot to break. So I'm looking at that 70, probably 72, 75. And then 50, 52 is your low. I would assume we're going to go after CPI. So your 100 days sits at 53.96. Your 50 days at 55.05. And guess what? We're back into that big, huge highlighted range that I still have. Then you have your upside of 55.32, 35 monster volume point, which is a 2-month POC at actually 31.5. So that's going to be my upside look. We'll see. Maybe a tap of the 50, or that was it. That was the correction, and we go up. We'll have to see what the print is today and how the market reacts. I don't know. This is going to be a very probably very interesting day. I would look at 54.70 also as an upside target. But if we lose the 54.40, I would start to look downside. That would kind of be my barometer. More so if we lose the 10, 15 area. So we lose the 10, 15 area, and then I would consider this is going to head back down. But then again, my target's probably going to be this, 70, 75 area. Pivots, 54.88. Okay, 55.21. These are okay today. 54.28. 53.94. I do like that one. We are above my magic green line and have stayed above since we tapped there, dropped, popped above, and now we're above it. So this is in bullish stature. 55.34, 53.01. These are okay today. I'd watch them. I'm not thrilled with them. Here's your overall dip. Okay. Halted before the 200 day on the daily. We're now buck above the 100. Now, mind you, the 100 held before, but we sliced through that down to attempt to run to the 200. And again, the 50 days, 55.05. So if we close above that, I think that they're going to probably, that'll be it. That was our correction. So it's going to be more like this, and we're just going to continue to go higher. Here's your still a monster month, right? 600 all the way to 120. Your midpoint is 53.68, which coincides with that 53.70 level. So again, that's where I'm going to watch. That's also your POC for the month. So that's probably going to be a decent level for support. Your monthly open is 55.76. So we'll see. And then again, we popped up to 5,600. Weekly, I think I didn't load that. We had a hammer candle on the weekly that everybody was talking about last week. And so far, that's provided exactly what the hammer candle should, right? You had a hammer candle, you broke above the hammer candle high, and we were off to the races. So that high was 53.85. So once we got north of 85 yesterday, that was off. So again, is that it? Was that our dip? I mean, that's quite a wick on that weekly, right? So I don't know if this reverses. We will have to see. SPX, that 50-day is at 54.51. That also clears up this one at 46. Then we have a huge cash gap from yesterday at 76 to 44, so about a 30-pointer. And we'll see, and then I have this guy left up here. So again, same scenario, right? We came up. This was that crushing pop up and then slam down, gap down. You had two gaps fall, and we're just retreating up. Again, I don't know. Euro popped again above the 110, so I would assume the 1.5 is next, 1.15. And Nvidia up small, Nasdaq down a hair, so ES up one. I mean, it's basically unched coming into this CPI report, so we will see. Anyway, I'll be in the room. Please be careful. CPI typically is the best fade day, so typically you get one move from 8:30 to 9:30, and then we flip around. So we'll see.